If you're looking for the best motorcycle tire changer in 2025, you've come to the right place. We've done the research and put together the top 5 motorcycle tire changing tools that offer durability, ease of use, and value for money. All of them have been chosen based on features, build quality, manufacturer reputation, and genuine customer feedback. You'll find the product links in the description below. Let's get started with the video. Number 1, Orion Motor Tech, tire changing tool for motorcycle. If you want a complete tire changing kit, this 20-piece set from Orion Motor Tech is a great choice. It includes 3 tire spoons, 4 rim protectors, a valve removal tool, valve accessories, and a convenient storage bag. The 11.5-inch spoons provide extra leverage for easier tire changes, while the PVC handles give you a comfortable slip-resistant grip. Made from solid CRV steel with a chrome finish, this set is built for long-term use. Plus, the rim protectors and rounded spoons ensure your wheels and tubes stay safe from scratches. It's versatile too, perfect for motorcycles, bikes, ATVs, lawn tractors, and more. Number 2, Dr. Rock Motorcycle Tire Changing Tools. Next up is Dr. Rock's Tire Changing Kit, a customer favorite for its premium build quality and user-friendly design. This set includes 3 strong tire spoons, 2 rim protectors, 6 TR valve stems, and a 4-way valve tool with 4 valve caps. Made from drop-forged steel with a polished chrome finish, these tools are both rust-proof and durable. The smooth edges and easy grip handles make tire changes much simpler without pinching inner tubes. It also comes with a sturdy Oxford case to keep everything organized. Ideal for motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, and even lawn equipment, this kit is reliable and versatile. Number 3, Baja No Pinch Original Tire Changing Kit, 17-inch version. Changing dirt bike or motocross tires can be frustrating, but the Baja No Pinch Kit makes it quick and stress-free. This set comes with a heavy-duty 17-inch tire iron spoon designed to prevent tube pinching during installation. Made from durable alloy steel with a rubber-coated DuraGrip handle, it offers comfort and plenty of leverage. It's designed for 16 to 21-inch wheels and coated with silver zinc for rust protection. Whether you're a beginner or a pro rider, this kit ensures smoother tire changes with less hassle. Number 4, Baja No Pinch Original Tire Changing Kit, USA made version. This upgraded version of the Baja No Pinch Kit is made in California with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and black oxide treated steel. It's built tough for frequent use and designed to last for years. The kit includes a robust handle, push rod, bracket, and a 20mm axle, making it compatible with 16 to 21-inch dirt bike tires. Its innovative no-pinch design reduces the risk of damaging tubes, making it a must-have for motocross and enduro riders. If you're serious about racing or off-road riding, this tire changer is both a performance tool and a long-term investment. Number 5, Rabaconda Motorcycle Tire Changer Machine. Finally, we have the Rabaconda Tire Changer, one of the fastest and most ergonomic tire changing tools on the market. It's designed for dirt bikes, enduro, and adventure bikes with spoked wheels, handling all tire types including tubeless, bibe moose, tire balls, and tubeless setups. The Rabaconda is famous for setting a world record tire change in just 44 seconds, making it a favorite among professionals. It's portable, compact, and assembles in seconds without tools. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you want speed, convenience, and pro-level reliability, the Rabaconda is hard to beat. And that wraps up our list of the best motorcycle tire changers of 2025. Whether you're a casual rider, dirt bike enthusiast, or serious racer, there's a tool here for every need and budget, All product links are listed in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching and ride safe.